Hello guys, good morning. This is Pradipta Kumar. Welcome to today's session. So today we'll do one practical how to restore deleted logical volume. Okay, if any logical volume got deleted accidentally, then how will you restore the logical volume as well as the data. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe now for more videos related to cloud, DevOps as well as Linux admin related stuff. So let's proceed with the practical. Guys, before proceeding with the practical, so just want to tell one thing, that in Linux, the metadata or backup of LVM generally stores under /etc/LVM. So if I go to the /etc/LVM, then you can see that is the backup folder, archive folder. So from where we can restore the deleted logical volume. So let's start. Guys, I have already my volume group is my VG, logical volume is my test LV. Then I have mounted in under /test, and also I have created some dummy file. You can see hello.txt and hi.txt. So now we'll unmount /test. You mount /test. Then we'll remove the logical volume. So lv remove, then /dv my test vg, my test lv. Okay, yes, so lv got removed. Okay, so now we'll do the restoration process. So first we'll trigger one command, pgcfg restore -list, then the volume group name. Okay, so this is so if you'll see, if you'll read the description, created before executing lv remove. Okay, that means it is the metadata of that particular logical volume. So it is stored before executing lv remove. So from this file we can restore the lv. Okay, so vgcfg restore -f, then that particular file name where we will restore the lv, then the my test my volume group name. Okay, now volume group restored. Now we need to activate the volume group. After that we'll activate the logical volume. Okay, so vg change -ay, then my test vg change -ay my test vg, which is a volume group. Okay, now volume group now active. Then we have to grab lv change -ay, then /dev, then my test vg, then my test lv. Okay, now we are activating the logical volume. So now logical volume got activated. So now we have to mount the file system. Okay, mount, okay, under /test. Okay, now it got mounted successfully. So if you go to /test, so now you can see also these are the files. Guys, it will helpful in your real-time environment. Hope you enjoy the session. Thank you very much.